Okay, industries. Industries is right here. Double click that and you get a list of the hot and cold sectors in the current market. Now right now the market's closed, but this reflects the hot and cold sectors since the last session. It's telling us that the top sector was semiconductors, and it has a rating. This rating is based on some algorithm which is very accurate. Now if you scroll down you can see the worst sector, which has a negative rating. Turns out the worst sector is oil field services and equipment. Now, as in all of our windows, you can sort by clicking the column. You can sort by industry name, either ascending or descending by clicking it again, or you sort by rating. I think the default would be sorting by rating from highest to lowest. Now, if you double click on a sector, it'll show you the individual stocks that are in that sector. Now this is very powerful stuff, because if you have choices between various stocks to trade, you might want to be biased to the hot sectors because that's where the big money is going. You see, you can choose a stock from the sector list, and then if you double click you'll get its chart. Now of course charts are covered in a different video, but you see you have immediate access. Alright, so it's very useful in trading. One example would be if you have the worst sector, you know to kind of avoid it. So if I look at the worst sector, let's look at that. You see a lot of these guys are finishing negative, and that's where the money is outflowing from. So if you had to choose between a stock in this sector versus one in some higher sector, I would go with the one in the higher sector.